You are with teacher Master Andrew. You are with teacher Master Andrew. Let's run number 1 to 5. Number recognition. 1. 1. Let's go this one. 1. 1. 2. 2. 3. 3. 3. 3. 4. 4. 5. 5. Practice writing. You're going to write 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5. Let us continue with counting using circles. Circle 1, 1. Circle 1, 1. 2 circles. 1 circle, 2 circles are equivalent to 2. 3 circles. 1, 2, 3 circles is equal to 3. Counting using circles again. 1, 2, 3, 4 circles is equal to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is equal to 5 circles. Basic addition. We are going to add numbers from 1 up to 5. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. By using circles, circle 1 plus another circle, we have 2 circles. Circle 2, circle 1 plus another circles, we have 2 circles. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 2 circles plus 1 circles is equal to 3 circles. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 2 circles plus 2 circles is equal to 4 circles. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 3 circles plus 2 circles is equal to 5 circles. 3 circles plus 2 circles is equal to 5 circles. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 4 circles plus 1 circles is equal to 5 circles. Is equal to 5 circles. Let us using subtraction. Basic subtraction. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus 1 is equal to 4 circles. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. 1 circles, second circles, third circles, fourth circles, fifth circles, minus 2 circles will remain with 3 circles. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. 1 circles, second circles, third circles, fourth circles, fifth circles, minus 3 circles is equal to 2 circles. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. 1 circles, second circles, third circles, fourth circles, fifth circles, minus 4 circles is equal to 1. 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. 1 circles, second circles, third circles, fourth circles, fifth circles, minus empty or 0 is equal to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are going to use comparison symbols. The first symbol is called greater than. Greater than. The second symbol is called lesser than. Less than. The third symbol is equal to. Equal to is called equal to. Equal to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is greater than 3. 1, 2, 3. 5 is greater than 3. Example number 2. 2 is less than 4. 2 is lesser than 4. 2 circles is lesser than 4 circles. 2 circles is less than 4 circles. 3 is equal to 3. 3 is equal to 3. 3 circles is equal to 3 circles. 3 circles is equal to 3 circles. Exercise. Exercise. Write numbers 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Match numbers to words. Match numbers to words. 2, 4, 5, 1, 5. 2, 2, 4, 5, 1, 5. 3, 1, 2, 2, 5. Compare numbers by using greater than, lesser than, and equal to. 5 and 2. Which symbol you are going to use? Greater than, lesser than, or equal to. 4 and 4. Which symbols is going to be used? Greater than, lesser than, or less than. 3 and 5. Which symbol is going to be used? Greater than, lesser than, or equal to. 4 and 1. Which symbol is going to be used? Greater than, less than, or equal to. 2 and 3. Which symbol is going to be used? Greater than, less than, or equal to. 5 and 5. Which symbol is going to be used? Greater than, less than, or equal to. Bye bye. Subscribe, like, and share. See you next time.